I'm recording his.
Lunchtime. What is going on? Maybe it wasn't for the small planet.